It's easy to call yourself a trader, but it's very difficult to get to the level where you are a consistently profitable trader. And there's no shortcut. You can't buy a book, you can't attend a course, you can't listen to anyone. You see, you can't be taught anything. I cannot teach you anything. You have to decide to teach yourself. I can guide you, but ultimately you, in any endeavor in life, be it sport, be it politics, be it education, you have to want it yourself. And that's what separates the 99% with the 1%, the ones that truly dream and dare and go for their goals and their vision. And that's the Pareto principle all over.
What's the role of failure in learning how to trade or becoming a successful trader?
Well, that depends on your frame of mind. Do you run away from something? Do you run towards something? Failure is a compelling protagonist towards achieving your goals. So use failure, be scared, be very scared of failure, and you will succeed. The most successful minds in the world, they are profoundly scared of going bust, and they work double hard. There is no magic pill. Here in Las Vegas, you have a resident called Andre Agassi, and it was a tremendous inspiration to me when he slipped from number one in the tennis world down to 173, and then made his way back up to number one. The only way you do that is through sheer grit and determination.